Hello everyone and welcome back to Gideon's Academy. Are you looking forward to starting your own YouTube channel, or you started your YouTube channel but at some point you were lost about the whole process, or you don't just know what to do in order to start a YouTube channel? This video is definitely for you. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 things you need to know before you start a new YouTube channel. And number 5 is the most important. So I will encourage you to stick around with me on this video while I take you on a wide ride on the things you need to know in order to start up a successful YouTube channel. Number 1 of them all is to find your niche. This is where most persons get it wrong. Yes, because they tend to start creating videos or content on the YouTube platform without having interest or passion in what they do. So I will encourage you, before starting up a YouTube channel or creating a YouTube channel, you need to ask yourself 1 or 2 questions. What do you like doing? What do you find interest or passion doing? Or what do you spend time online searching for or doing? So if you are able to answer these few questions, then I will encourage you to create a niche around your answer. And here is a big tip for you. For example, I'm passionate about cryptocurrency and I want to start a niche in cryptocurrency. And when I come to the online space, I see tons of people making content all about cryptocurrency. I might be confused, thinking there is no space for me. You don't think so? So this is where things actually get interesting, because when you come into that space, you have tons of content creators existing already in that niche where you can take ideas from, recreate your own content with your own strategy, and this will actually work for you. Point number 2 to note before starting or creating a YouTube channel is for you to plan or create your content strategy. So when we talk about planning or creating your content strategy, here we talk about what type of content you want to create, how often you want to make an upload or create videos, and also what are your long-term goals. I'll break this down into few pieces. First of all, what type of content do you want to create? This also falls into the niche category. In the niche category, we have also what we call the sub niche. So when you venture into that particular niche you have picked, you need to sub niche your niche in order to stay focused in the game. So for example, if your niche is about tutoring or tutorial channel, then you need to pick something you want to teach your audience. So you don't just go randomly. You sub-niche your niche, and over time, you can tend to create playlists where you can create tons of sub-niches under that particular niche. So the next one is, how often do you upload? So here, you need to make your audience understand that in a certain time of the day, or in a certain time of the week, or in a month, this audience or your audience you have gathered in a place are definitely expecting something from you. So here is where you strategize or you schedule your uploads. It can be daily, weekly, monthly, but please note that daily uploads can be overwhelming and you can actually burn out. But don't worry, we'll explain this in subsequent videos coming up on this channel. So I will encourage you, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, ensure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you get notified once I make an upload. So the next point on content strategy is what we call your long-term goals. So many people come on the YouTube platform basically for monetization, to get monetized and start earning ads revenue. Those are long-term goals of people coming into the platform as content creators. Aside that, we have other goals such as collaboration and building a dedicated audience or a community. So point number 3 to note before starting or creating a new YouTube channel is for you to invest in quality equipment. So don't get me wrong, please. Don't mistake quality equipment for expensive equipment. And equipment might be expensive but don't have that quality, or you cannot provide that quality from that expensive equipment. And also, an equipment can have a quality but not expensive. I will explain. So when we talk about quality equipment, here we talk about good lightnings, So when making videos for your YouTube channel, especially for face channel just like so, ensure that the lighting in your video are even, and this will make a huge difference in your video quality. And also note that decent audio can never be overemphasized. So even if you have a face channel or a faceless channel, ensure that you invest in good audio quality. Ensure that your background is noise free, and even if you have a background music playing in your video, ensure that it does not overshadow your voicing. This in turn will provide you with a more clear audio sound for audience retention. And also, you can consider a basic camera. You need not to break a bank to get a digital camera for your video recording, most especially for face channels. You can invest in your smartphone, get good lightnings in a noiseless environment, and also know that when it comes to lightnings as well, natural lightning can make a huge difference in your video making. So the third thing to note while investing in quality equipment is to invest in basic cameras. You need not to break a bank to get yourself a digital camera for shooting your videos, basically for face channel. Your smartphone could actually do. You can go through some random settings on your phone and make your phone look good with good lightnings and audio. You are definitely good to go. Point number 4 to note before creating or starting up a YouTube channel. This is not actually important, but you actually need it to also fast track your growth on the YouTube platform, is to have an existing audience. Having an existing audience or a platform or an online presence is actually important, but it's not a basic tool for you to have before creating or starting up a YouTube channel. However, this in turn help you fast track your growth rate on the YouTube platform. Yes, so before starting up a YouTube channel, I will implore you, or if you already have an account with TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, all this platform can in turn help you grow your YouTube channel fast and easily. So why you actually need this online presence is to in turn partially promote your YouTube videos, because you can share links to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and people from other platforms might click on the link and also hop onto your account or your Facebook account to watch those videos. And here is to the final and the most important thing to note before starting or creating a new YouTube channel, which are patience and persistence. So here is it, guys. You don't need to get discouraged with low initial views. This actually happens most often, but with time this changes and you start getting the views your channel actually deserves or requires. And before this happens, you need to focus on creating high quality and engaging content. And before this happens, you need to focus consistently in creating high quality and engaging content for your audience. And over time, your channel will definitely work. And don't forget, guys, you need to engage with your audience or community. Respond to comments, ask for feedbacks, and also when you see a comment that doesn't sit well with you, take it as a feedback and give a kind response to it. This in turn will create an accommodating atmosphere for your audience. And here is to you watching this video. Starting a YouTube channel can be an exciting journey. So don't forget to have fun, be creative, and don't forget to stay true to yourself. I hope these few tips I've shared with you today help you to succeed in the YouTube journey. So for you to learn how to create a winning YouTube channel, I would suggest you watch this video here, where I share insights on how you can successfully create an amazing and a winning YouTube channel from scratch. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, bye for now.